Which HTML element is used to specify a client-side script that should be executed after the document has been parsed? Option A, less than script defer greater than option B, less than script async greater than option C, less than script type equals, module, greater than option D, less than script src greater than. The correct option is A, less than script defer greater than. Which attribute on and less than input greater than element prevents the user from modifying the field but still sends its value with the form? Option A, disabled option B, read-only option C, hidden option D, ARIA disabled. The correct option B, read-only. Which meta tag correctly sets the character encoding to UTF-8? Option A, less than meta char set equals UTF-8 greater than option B, less than aside greater than option C, less than meta encoding equals UTF-8 greater than option D, less than div greater than. The correct. Option A, less than meta char set equals UTF-8 greater than. Which HTML element is used to define a table header cell? Option A, less than th greater than. Option B, less thanthead greater than. Option C, less than td greater than. Option D, less than tr greater than. The correct. Option A, less than th greater than. Which ARIA role is appropriate for a region of the page that contains the main content unique to that page? Option A, role equals navigation. Option B, role equals main. Option C, role equals content info. Option D, role equals complementary. The correct option B, role equals main. In an HTML form, which input type is recommended for selecting a date in modern browsers? Option A, type equals text. Option B, type equals date. Option C, type equals datetime. Option C, type equals datetime. The correct. Option B, type equals date. Which element is used to embed external SVG markup directly into the HTML document? Option A, less than imgsrc equals image.svg greater than. Option B, less than object data equals image.svg greater than. Option C, less than svg greater than. Less than svg greater than inline. Option D, less than embed src equals image.svg greater than. The correct. Option C, less than svg greater than. Less than svg greater than inline. Which attribute on the less than canvas greater than element is used to set its drawing buffer size, not CSS size? Option A, width and height attributes, numbers. Option B, CSS width and height style only. Option C, data size attribute. Option D, pixels attribute. The correct. Option A, width and height attributes, numbers. Which HTTP header is most relevant to controlling whether a page can be embedded in an less than iframe greater than on another site? Option A, content type. Option B, X-frame options. Option C, cache control. Option D, content security policy. The correct option B, X-frame options. Which tag would you use to mark up keyboard input or short computer code fragments inline? Option A, less than code greater than. Option B, less than kbd greater than. Option C, less than pre greater than. Option D, less than samp greater than. The correct option B, less than kbd greater than.